Is it time to buy or sell Netflix stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Netflix. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of October, 2024, our system has identified Netflix as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.05. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned within the lower segment of a robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $682.28 is breached, it may signify a deceleration in the rate of increase and could serve as an early indicator of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an indication of a possible change of approximately 16.22% over the forthcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 15.32% and 24.79%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant change of around 64.78% over the next year, with potential returns between 52.30% and 76.38%. This equates to a projected price range of between $1,047.30 and $1,212.89 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Netflix presents the headline, Netflix stock downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Thursday trading session. The Netflix stock price experienced a decline of 2.04% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, dropping from $702 to $687.65. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.91%, reaching a low of $677.88 and a high of $704.41. Over the past 10 days, the stock has decreased in price during 6 of those days, with an overall decline of 2.71% for this period. The trading volume increased by 5 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This may indicate an early warning sign, with a slight increase in risk anticipated over the next couple of days. In total, 8 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5.26 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the stock was $736, while the lowest price was $392.26. Currently, the price stands 6.57%, or $48.35, below the 52-week high of $736, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Netflix has recently reported strong third-quarter earnings, surpassing analysts' expectations, with earnings of $5.40 per share and adding over 5 million new subscribers. This impressive performance led to a nearly 4% increase in its stock price after the announcement. Revenue for the quarter reached approximately $9.83 billion, fueling investor optimism about the company's ongoing growth strategy. Additionally, Netflix is actively focused on enhancing its advertising model, although it does not anticipate ad revenue to become a significant growth driver until the year 2026. This shift toward ad-supported plans reflects a strategic response to market dynamics and competition, positioning Netflix as a key player in the evolving streaming landscape. Industry experts suggest that Netflix's success may trigger further consolidation among legacy media companies, which could significantly reshape the streaming arena. Executives continue to emphasize the importance of content investment to compete effectively, indicating a commitment to maintaining quality offerings that attract and retain subscribers. The combination of a solid earnings report, positive subscriber growth, and strategic planning in ad revenue sets a bullish tone for Netflix in the short term. This momentum could lead to sustained investor confidence and potentially push the stock higher over the long term, as Netflix solidifies its market leadership and adapts to changing consumer preferences. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Netflix an overweight grade, accompanied by an upgrade action. On the same day, Loop Capital Markets also rated Netflix with a buy grade while recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Evercore ISI rated Netflix as outperform with a hold action. On the same day, Benchmark rated Netflix with a sell grade, also recommending a hold action. Earlier in the week, on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs provided Netflix with a neutral grade and suggested a hold action. Analysts have assigned Netflix stock a general neutral rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. For return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Netflix. Currently, there are very few, if any, positive technical signals. The Netflix stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at $712.73 and $701.30. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, October 10, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 5.84%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Analysis presented a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 45 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average produced a buy signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 233 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Netflix. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $647.50 and $643.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Netflix finds support just below today's level at $647.50. If this is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $643.04 and $633.34. Generally, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the stock moved $26.53 between high and low, or 3.91%. For the last week, the stock has displayed daily average volatility of 2.23%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Netflix, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This significant ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating substantial growth in the future. Additionally, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 17th of October, 2024. Analysts currently estimate earnings of $5.09 per share. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Netflix. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Netflix is at $698.54. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Netflix faces its first support level at $647.50. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Netflix from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of October, 2024, Leslie J. Kilgore conducted an insider purchase of 383 shares of common stock. On the same day, Leslie J. Kilgore also executed an insider sale of 383 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 10th of October, 2024, Leslie J. Kilgore sold 383 shares of a non-qualified stock option, which grants the right to buy. Earlier, on the 1st of October, 2024, Bradford L. Smith made an insider purchase of 88 shares of a non-qualified stock option. On the same day, Leslie J. Kilgore also bought 88 shares of a non-qualified stock option. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 41.886. In total, insiders purchased 79,449 shares and sold 196,540 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is negative, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Netflix stock a good buy? The Netflix stock presents several negative indicators. Despite some positive trends, we anticipate that Netflix will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements of the previous trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 18th of October, we expect Netflix to open up $2.33, starting at $689.98. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.